This is Frankie McDonald, my own TV station, live in Sydney, Nova Scotia, Massachusetts, getting the heavy snow on Wednesday, February the 5th, 2014. It's going to bring up to 30 plus centimeters of snow in the state of Massachusetts. It's going to be a lot of snow in Massachusetts. It's going to be a snowstorm. It's going to be a snow-covered roads, including interstate highways in Massachusetts as well, because a lot of snow is going to fall in Massachusetts, including the city of Boston. And the entire state of Massachusetts is going to get 30 plus centimeters of snow. And it's going to be a blowing and drifting snow in the state of Massachusetts as well. Local blowing, drifting snow. People in Massachusetts, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready, have your winter jackets ready, hats and gloves and scarf and ski pants is ready. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi and buy cases of Coke. Because it's going to be a lot of snow in the state of Massachusetts on Wednesday, February the 5th, 2014. Have your iPads charged, have your iPods charged, have your cell phones charged, have your tablets charged, have your laptops charged, have your 3G and 4G internet ready. If you're going to do your grocery shopping, don't wait till the last minute. Do it right now. Have your shovels ready, have your snow scoops ready, have your snow blowers ready, have your snow plows ready. And have your salt trucks ready as well, because a lot of snow is going to hit state of Massachusetts on Wednesday, February the 5th, 2014. If you have anybody living in Massachusetts, be prepared for a major snowstorm. It's going to be a lot of heavy snow in the state of Massachusetts. Best luck to you. People in Massachusetts, be prepared for a major snowstorm on Wednesday. Take care and stay safe. Don't get caught in a snowstorm. Be safe.